Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Shopping on eBay can be a great way to find unique items and deals, but it's important to navigate the platform wisely to avoid any unpleasant surprises. First, let's talk about seller reputation and reviews. It's essential to check the seller's feedback score and take a moment to read recent reviews. This can give you valuable insight into their reliability and how they interact with buyers. Aim for sellers who boast a high positive feedback percentage and have detailed recent reviews. On the flip side, be cautious about new sellers or those with few reviews, particularly if you're eyeing an expensive item. Next up, we have listing details. When you find an item of interest, be sure to read the listing description thoroughly. Pay close attention to the item condition, shipping costs, and return policies. A detailed listing is often a sign of a responsible seller. Another important point is price comparison. Check prices of similar items to make sure you're getting a realistic deal. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Now, let's touch on communication. Always use eBay's messaging system to communicate with the seller because this keeps your conversation secure. It's a good rule of thumb to avoid communicating outside the platform and never share personal information. Payment security is equally important. Stick to eBay's approved payment methods like PayPal, which offers buyer protection. Avoid stepping outside eBay's secure system, such as paying via wire transfers or direct bank transfers, as these lack the same level of security and protection. Be wary of any request to pay through unconventional means. Lastly, familiarize yourself with eBay's money-back guarantee. It provides coverage for items not as described, not received, or defective. And that's it. So that is how you can buy on eBay without getting scammed. So that's all for this video. Thanks.